Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video. So this video is especially for the postgraduate students who are searching for job. Okay, so without wasting any time, let us go straight to the point. Okay, now this job is advertised by the UGC. Okay, that is the University Grants Commission. Okay, now we can apply online. Okay, the post for this particular job is the junior consultant. Okay, and the number of posts available is 8. Okay, the salary will be 50,000 to, okay, that is rupees 50,000 to 60,000 per month. Okay, and here also one more thing we have to note, that is to be decided by the competent authority at the time of selection. So at the time of selection only the amount will be decided. Okay, then the last date for filling up the online application is 12 July 2021. Okay, the next one is the requirement. Okay, the first one is the qualification. So qualification is a postgraduate may be of any department. Okay, so irrespective of any department, so they should have at least 55% okay of marks, and also with the knowledge. Okay, they prefer with the broad knowledge of distance online mode of education, understanding distance education, online education. They should be well versed with the computers, okay, that is involving MS Office, Excel, use of internet, etc. They should also be capable of functioning in multifunctional work environment. Okay, the maximum age limit is 35. Now let us see the duties. Okay, so the duties are: assist the commission in handling, okay, the academic and administrative work that is related to distance or online education of higher education institutes in accordance with the regulations and relevant rules. Okay, the next one is to assist in monitoring, okay, universities or institutions offering programs in distance or online education mode. The third one is maintenance of data, okay, that is related to release of grant and other related matters. Liaise means to consult or to discuss with the state government of the education that are related to the distance education or online education in DEB. Okay, next one is to handle RTIs and court cases related to distance education or online education in DEB. The sixth one is the should be able to willingly undertake official tours, okay, if necessary or required. Okay, then any other work assigned by the UGC. Then this period of engagement will be for 6 months. Okay, it may be extended based on their performance and conduct. Okay, but the appointing authority have the right to terminate the engagement at any point of time without assigning any reason. Okay, then the number of posts may increase or decrease as per the requirements. The UGC reserves the right to fill up or not to fill up the advertised positions. Okay, then the courts at Delhi and Delhi High Court are alone, okay, alone shall have the jurisdiction in case of any disputes. Okay, now I will be giving you a link for applying online. Okay, so the link will be in the description. I will also be sharing you the link for the particular PDF, okay, the advertisement, so you can go to the respective links and all and download it, okay, as well as to apply for this particular job. Okay, now as you open up that particular link for applying online, the page will appear like this. Okay, so there are 4 parts. You can see part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. So in the first part they will ask you the personal informations. Okay, the second part is educational and qualification information. Third part is employment information, and the fourth part is the declaration. Okay, and then we have to submit it. So in this page two files we will be needing. The first file is the category. Okay, if we are OBC, ST or SC, then we have to upload a scanned copy of that. Okay, so the format can be either of the PDF or JPG format. Okay, then the next one is from this part 1 we have to upload a passport size photo, so it will be of JPG format and should be of less than 500 KB. Okay, then the next one comes that is, just wait, so this is part 1. Yeah, so this is how it will appear in the part 2. Okay, so in the part 2, as you can see, they will ask you for the class 10 information, class 12, undergraduate, and the postgraduate. Okay, so in the class 10, okay, in this page they will ask you 4 files, that is the mark sheet of the class 10, here also of class 12, so it can be either of the PDF or JPG. Okay, they have not mentioned the size, maybe it may be less than 500 KB only, maybe. Okay, so these are the files we need. Okay, so that is of the class 10, class 12, undergraduate, and the postgraduate mark sheets. Okay, and the other things you have to fill up by yourself, and then comes the next part, that is part 3. Okay, in this part they will ask you about the previous posts along with the scale of pay and grade. So earlier, if you are working somewhere else, they will ask you about those details, the service of period, and you have to mention these things, and then also the address. Okay, so after that the declaration part will be there. So only in part 1 and part 2 they will ask you the documents to be uploaded, so in the other parts they will not need. So that way, part 4 you will have to declare it, and then you will have to submit. Okay, so that is how the step it is for this particular post. Okay, you can apply that way. So I hope you understood,